Hey besties, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make this delicious carrot cake. All you need is obviously carrot, maybe three, and all you have to do is peel it and then grate it and put it in your blender with 3 eggs. And we're gonna measure vegetable oil. As you guys can see, I'm using this measuring cup. I use two and a half of it of oil. You don't need much. If you honestly, I just go with my eyes, okay? Everything I do, I measure with my eyes, and you're just gonna blend everything together. This cake was amazing. It was a dreamy, delicious cake, and I'm so proud of myself for making it. And I'm sure if you try this, girl, you're gonna love it. Okay, so pour everything into a bowl, okay, and we're gonna mix it, and then we're gonna go with our sugar. Again, I just measure with my eye. I just use this measuring cup. I use 2.5. I don't like anything too sweet, so yeah, diabetes is real, so yeah, I try not to eat too much sugar. Look at me saying that the master of ice cream eater. I'm the CEO. But anyways, I try to, minimize my sugar intake. But yeah, mix everything well so everything comes all together. That's your mixture that we blended: egg, carrot and not olive oil, vegetable oil. So now we added sugar. We're gonna mix everything very well. It's very important. I'm gonna go with my plain flour again. You guys see, I wasn't using no measuring cup because I just measure with my eyes. And you need this thing that I'm using to make sure that the flour, you take all the rough things in there, so your cake can be light and soft. You don't want a heavy cake that I feel like you're eating a stone. I don't like it. If it's too heavy, I wouldn't touch my cake. See, those are the things you're gonna throw away. So now mix everything well. This one is a great arm workout, so yeah, mix everything very well. It was fun making this cake. I love making cake actually, and I enjoyed myself. So after mixing everything well, you're gonna use this powdered milk. I think it's Nido, and then we're gonna use this milk, like, we're using different kind of milk, and honestly using that powdered milk makes a lot of difference. Honestly, use it because it makes your cake delicious. Okay, so don't be afraid to use it. And as you guys could see, I added a little bit of milk again. I'm just checking the texture of the mixture and everything. I decided to go with a little bit of flour to make it not too thick but not too light. Does that make sense? Just go with me. You guys can see everything that I'm doing, and just mix. I can't talk today, guys. But yeah, as you can see, I feel like I'm happy with this texture, and the cake came out so good. I'm gonna go on and put the baking powder. I used two tables yeah table 2 tables. I can't talk, and I will not repeat this. I used 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Just think like you are in a room with me. And I'm also using a vanilla extract, is that how you call it, to get that smell of egg out of the cake. Okay, so do not miss this step because it's very important. Okay, mix everything. This cake was smelling smelling nice, smell delicious. Okay, the only thing I forgot is I forgot to film me actually covering the cake with chocolate. So if you guys want that, let me know. I can show you guys how I do that too. No worries, let me know in the comment section. Okay, I'm happy with the texture. That's everything looking delish. Okay, this is the part I hate the most, is where you put the butter on the cake former, whatever you call it, and you have to go with the flour. It's just, oh my god, that's the only part that I hate, because it's just everywhere it looks so messy. And anyways, you do that because you don't want your cake to stick, so make sure you do that. And you're gonna put it on your oven for like 30 to 40 minutes. Keep eye on it. And how you know your cake is done, take in a knife or fork, yeah, knife, dip it inside your, put it inside your cake. After check it, if it's not sticking, if you come out clean, it means that your cake is done. If it's sticking, it's still, your knife come with some wetness, you know it's not done. But yeah, and also the leftover, I just did a mini cupcake for my niece and nephews. Yeah, so beautiful. This is the, I did cover the chocolate cake. It looks so freaking delicious. It's amazing. You guys really need to try this. Honestly, it was fun making this video. The cake was amazing. I don't know who's texting me, but it's annoying me. I'm sorry for that, for that notification noise. But yeah, you guys need to try this cake. If you want me to show you guys how I cover this cake, let me know. I'm also going to add a little clip on how, after, you're gonna put in a fridge so the chocolate can sit properly and just look delicious. I'm gonna post that video as well. You guys will see the final look to everything. Those are the cupcake. The cupcake tasted amazing. Imagine this with your cup of tea or your coffee, whatever. It's amazing. You definitely need to try this. Let me know if you're going to try it, and what do you think about this chocolate carrot cake. It's the best, and I just wish I could give it to you, to all my besties, but unfortunately I can't. But I would definitely suggest you to try it. It's affordable. It doesn't cost much. I think if you spend maybe like £20 or so, and you make this cake, seriously. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, you know what to do. Thumbs up, subscribe. Let me know what kind of videos you guys would like to see more on my channel. I love you guys so much. See you guys on my next video. Bye, besties.